Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today, little tidbits of advice or information about how to weatherize your windows for the winter. Let's talk about that. To make sure that your windows are good to go for the winter, just go around the perimeter of the outside and just take a quick look on the outside. Make sure that the bead of caulking that's around the window is complete. There's no breaks, there's no cracks in it. If there is, just make sure you fill those voids. Or if you have had them installed quasi recently, see if they'll come back out and resurface the windows and make sure that they are nice and tight for you. If you do see the breaks in the caulking, make sure that that gets taken care of. That's number one. You might have stucco. There might be cracks in the stucco. That could be an issue for you. Normally, under stucco, you'll have black building paper that will shear off any water or anything else that's trying to get through inside of the house. Usually, anytime you get your house painted, they're gonna go around and check for cracks, and they're gonna fill those anyways before they paint your house, right? And you can get polyurethane sealants, you know, at Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace, you can get them anywhere. Let's say you've checked the outside of your windows and everything looks good. On the inside, you're like, okay, well, how do I keep some of this draft from coming in, like air? So I have an old replacement window that we took out recently and replaced it with new windows. So look at how thin this window is, right? Single piece of glass. This little cold aluminum frame. Let's say this is what you're dealing with. In this channel, right, there is the ability to pull this weather stripping out and slide new weather stripping in. And by weather stripping, I mean mole hair weather stripping, okay? No compression seals, this is like that. Anlin's triple fin mole hair weather stripping. So this stuff here is helping. Whenever it closes, it seals against the main portion of the frame and it helps stop airflow from coming in. So anyways, that's a few tips. There's probably more tips that you can find online as well as to how you can weatherproof your windows. The other thing would be to paint them, believe it or not. This would be for wood windows. You know, you want to make sure that those wood windows, you know, they have sealant where it needs to be. A lot of times you're not going to have any weather stripping and pretty much no place to really put weather stripping on those windows because of the way they were made, and they really weren't thinking of weather stripping back then. I hope this helps. Like I said, go online. There's so many different tricks and tactics you can use to weatherize your house. I'm talking about a couple of tricks you can do for your windows. Make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.